how to fix Spotify Premium not working after payment. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve Spotify Premium features not activating on your Android device. First, open the Spotify app on your Android device and check if your premium subscription is showing as active by tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, if it still shows free, log out of your account completely by going to Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap Log Out. From there, close the app fully and reopen it. Then log back in to refresh your account status. At this point, if premium is still not showing, go to your home screen and long press on the Spotify app icon. In the next step, tap on App Info and then tap on Storage. Following this, tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that might be preventing your subscription from loading correctly. Once done, open the Google Play Store and search for Spotify to check if an update is available. If so, tap Update and wait for it to finish. From here, open Spotify again and log back into your account. At this stage, if premium is still not active, go to Spotify.com in your browser and log in to verify that your payment was successfully processed and your subscription is showing as active on your account. After this, if the payment went through but the app still isn't reflecting it, tap on Settings inside the app and tap on About to force a sync of your account details. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Spotify support directly through their website and provide your payment confirmation so they can manually activate your premium subscription. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your Spotify Premium after payment, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.